So we're going to start off this video just by showing you the answers so you can have a look through, see how you got on. If then you've got anything wrong, you can go to the timestamp in the video to listen to me explain how to do it. Okay, so let's start off on question 1. So if we're dividing, we're going to subtract the powers here. So in index form, 3 to the 5 divided by 3 squared is going to leave us with 3 to the 3. For part B, 3 squared divided by 3 squared, again we subtract the powers, so in index form that is 3 to the 0. If we actually work out what 3 squared divided by 3 squared is going to be, 3 squared is 9, divided by 3 squared, 9, gives us 1. We know that 3 squared divided by 3 squared is the same as 3 to the 0. So if we're evaluating 3 to the 0, that's 1. Remembering anything to the power of 0 is 1, so that gives us our answer for E. So using that rule that anything to the power of 0 is 1, we're going to be able to simplify down the next question. That makes the question 1 multiplied by 268 to the 1 multiplied by 1. So that becomes 268. Moving on to question 2 then, so on to our negative indices. If we know 5 squared is 25, 5 to the minus 2 is 1 over 25. If we know 8 squared is 64, 8 to the negative 2 is 1 over 64. Remembering negative powers are the reciprocal. 3 cubed is 27, so 3 to the minus 3 is 1 over 27. 2 to the 5, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So we have 1 over 32. Working backwards then, for question 3, to write them in index form, we know that 16 is 4 squared. So 1 over 16 is 4 to the minus 2. 49 is 7 squared, so this is 7 to the minus 2. 125 is going to be 5 cubed. So this is 5 to the minus 3. And 1,000 is 10 cubed. So this is 10 to the minus 3. Moving on to question 4, we can use these negative powers to find our reciprocals with fractions as well. So to the power of negative 1 just finds the reciprocal of that fraction, so that's 5/3. So for part B to the negative 2, means that we need to flip it, but we also need to square it. So this becomes 8 over 7 squared, which is 64 over 49. For C, again, we need to flip it first of all. As this is a quarter, when we flip it, that becomes 4. So 4 cubed, which is 64. Again, for the last one, we need to find the reciprocal, so flip it first. Then we can cube it, and that gives us 27 over 8. For question 5, we've got some coefficients as well as algebra. We're going to ensure that that power acts on both the coefficient and the algebra. So for the first one, we're going to square both the 3 and the x, and also find the reciprocal of that. So that becomes 1 over 9x squared. Again, we'll do the same thing on the next one. So this becomes 1 over. And then we need to square both parts. So 4x to the 6, remembering to multiply those powers. For the next one, this is going to become 1 over 125. Then multiply your powers, x to the 12. For the last one, this is going to become 1 over 2 to the 4 is 2, 4, 8, 16. Then we've got x to the 8, y to the 12.